way, but anyway, it's pretty easy to separate. Just do that. That. Alright guys, I know I look crazy, I know, but this hair is a no for me. So I'm switching it up, and I was actually sent some hair from, where is this from? I don't even know, but I'm gonna put the link in the description box so you guys can get all the details of this hair. I got it from Amazon, but it was sent to me by a company. So like I said, I will link this in a description box. But I'm using this passion twist. It's called bomb twist hair. So it's not the usual passion twist where it's a rope all the way down and then the curly ends. It's more like a screw. It has a screw type of pattern, and then the ends are curly. So I got it in TP Burgundy. So yeah, so pretty much this is what had happened. I bought this hair. It is water wave hair, but it's Lulu Tress, you know, water wave hair, and I usually go with the Free Tress brand. The Free Tress brand always does me right. When I put this hair in, you guys will see the clip before and everything of me putting this hair in. It was massive, and I'm like, okay, so it's going to condense. It usually, once you separate the curl and put it in, it's really big, but then it condenses and the curls lock back together. That wasn't the case. I know y'all probably like, this is not a lot of hair, but I've been cutting away at it. Like, it did not go down at all. It was huge, and it was so huge, like I've lost, you know, some weight, so my face has slimmed down. So, but it was like taking over my face and my head. It was just like all you seen was this big red hair, and I don't like that because it gives you a really big fake wig looking look, and yeah, it didn't look natural. So I was like, okay, so at least I was sent this hair just in time, because I was gonna wait to put this hair in, but I'm like, since I got it, I'm just going to cut this out and put this in. Same braiding pattern, everything. It's only literally been about 5 days. I think I put it in Monday. Okay, maybe it's been a week. No, it's been about 5 or 6 days. I think I did it on Tuesday and Wednesday. But yeah, yeah, it's only been in for like 6 days, and I was ready to take it out. I did go to the beauty supply store to get some other type of bomb twist, passion twist looking hair, just in case I didn't have enough. These did come 7 bundles. This came in 7 bundles. I'm not quite sure how many strands are on here. I really didn't count. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 strands on a bundle. So 21 strands per bundle. That's 7 bundles. So I really want it nice and full. I was going for the big curly fall looking type of, you know, hair. So I'm hoping to achieve that with this hair. So that's why I bought some extra hair, just in case it wasn't full enough for me. I am gonna put in all 7 packs just so you guys can see if that's like the full look that you're looking for, and then that way you can judge if you want to get 1 by 1 pack of 7, or if you want to buy another pack, so that way you have the nice big full look. Now another thing, I'm not quite sure if I'm going to leave it this length, because it only comes yeah, about armpit, a little past armpit length. It only comes there. So I'm trying to judge if I want to leave it this length, or if I want to, you know, cut it like I had my short spring twist style in the summer. It is fall / winter, and I really want it to have longer hair so I can be warm. So yeah, I'm just gonna judge it, you know, I'll put it in first and then decide if I'm gonna cut it or if I'm gonna wait or whatever. But yeah, that's why I'm looking crazy. And my lips is ashy, that's why I'm licking. I ain't got no lip gloss, no Vaseline. I'm just out here. But anyway, that's why I'm looking crazy. I've been cutting this away and then adding the hair, because I just, yeah, that's what I've been doing. So I will come back to you guys. You guys know how to install, you know, spring twist hair or crochet hair or whatever. My braid pattern isn't special. I didn't do the braid looking braid pattern because I was expecting to have the big hair, so, and it hides well, so that's why I really want it full, so that way you can't really tell if it looks like it's individually in or if it is crochet. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started and be quiet so you guys can see me doing this. I'll probably come back when it's all done, and yeah.